If you're thinking about buying the LeadGen app, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. Compared to other landing page builders, this app has its strengths, but it also has some limitations that could affect your choice. Let's dive into the details so you can make an informed decision. First off, LeadGen is designed for businesses that want to generate high quality leads through optimized landing pages. It's packed with features meant to simplify the process, but its ease of use can vary depending on your needs. You may find it intuitive for basic landing pages, but it can be a bit overwhelming if you need more complex designs or integrations. Next, the customization options. While LeadGen offers a range of templates, they're often limited when compared to more flexible competitors. You get the basics, but if you're looking for fully customizable designs or advanced features like dynamic content or third-party integrations, you might find it lacking. Other platforms like Unbounce or Instapage offer more freedom here. The third thing to consider is pricing. LeadGen's pricing structure is competitive, but it's essential to understand how the cost scales with the number of landing pages, traffic, and features. For small businesses, it might seem affordable, but as you scale up, costs can quickly add up. Competitors like LeadPages offer more cost-effective plans for higher volume users. Now, the fourth thing, customer support. LeadGen provides decent support, but it's not as robust as what you might get with platforms like ClickFunnels. They have a knowledge base, email support, and limited chat options, but if you run into complex issues, response times can be slower than you'd like. Next, integration options. LeadGen does integrate with popular tools, but compared to some competitors, it has fewer native integrations. If you're using niche marketing platforms or CRM systems, you might need to rely on third-party tools or Zapier for connections. This can lead to additional setup time and complexity. The sixth thing you should know is the learning curve. While it's relatively easy to get started, advanced features and full customization require more time to master. This isn't a major issue if you're just creating basic landing pages, but if you need more, you might find yourself spending extra time figuring things out. Competitors like Wix or WordPress have a more user-friendly setup process. Next, let's talk about mobile responsiveness. LeadGen's landing pages are generally mobile-friendly, but they don't always have the same level of optimization and ease of use that you'll get with competitors like Instapage, which has a more advanced mobile editing tool for fine-tuning every detail. The eighth thing to consider is the A/B testing feature. LeadGen offers A/B testing, but it's not as advanced or automated as tools like Unbounce. For marketers who need detailed insights and automation to streamline their campaigns, LeadGen's testing options might feel a bit basic. Next up, speed. LeadGen does provide relatively fast loading times for your landing pages, which is essential for user experience and SEO. However, some of the more premium tools like OptimizePress might load even faster, especially with optimized templates for faster performance. The 10th thing to know is the level of security. LeadGen offers SSL certificates with its pages, but it's essential to make sure your site is fully secured, especially when handling customer data. Other platforms like HubSpot provide extra security layers for more peace of mind. Next, the templates. While LeadGen has a selection, they tend to focus more on general use cases rather than specialized industries. If you want templates tailored to specific niches, other competitors like LeadPages or ClickFunnels may offer more variety and options. The 12th and final thing you need to know is scalability. As your business grows, LeadGen might struggle to meet the higher demands of complex workflows or larger teams. Competitors like ClickFunnels and Instapage offer more scalability, with built-in team collaboration and enterprise-level features that might be a better fit if you need to scale. In conclusion, LeadGen is a solid option for simple landing pages and lead generation. It's easy to use, affordable at first, and works well for small businesses. However, if you want more flexibility, better integration, and advanced features, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It might offer everything you need to take your landing page strategy to the next level.